Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be telling you all about my favorite nail polishes that I have, and I wanted to show it to you all before it gets completely dried up, because most of it is already dried up and I thought let's make use of it. I mean, I did not grow my nails. This is the first time that I have grew them, and this is the maximum extent it's gonna grow. It was like this. I mean, this is also better, and now it's like this. Yeah, so I'm really happy with my nails, and recently I've been trying to apply various colors of nail polishes, but then all these were bought way before, when I did not grow my nails, and now they have dried up and I can't use them properly. But when I used them, they were the prettiest colors that I had, so I have to show it to you all. So let's begin with the video and show you some of my pastel and new nail polishes that I love. So let's begin with the video. Okay, so firstly, if you remember this brand, Juice, I mean, these kind of nail polishes, yeah, we get this everywhere in these fancy stores. Before, we didn't have Nykaa and we didn't shop from Nykaa, so we used to buy nail polishes from fancy stores, and these are those, basically from Juice. Then these are just left out. I had a lot of nude nail polishes also from this brand, I remember, and all of it is available on Amazon, and they are so cheap, 5 nude nail polishes for just 200 rupees or something, and they are all so bomb. Here is the picture. Yeah, this one, you can get it online, and I don't have that, but these colors are all pretty. A red nail polish is also a must, and this one is a matte one. If you can see, the bottle itself is matte finished to make the buyers understand that this one's matte and the others are glossy. So yes, this is the brand Juice, and you can get this if you are missing out on this brand and if you haven't tried this from a fancy store. And moving on to my favorite color, current favorite color, mint, sage, whatever you want to call this color, I don't know, but this color is my favorite. And this, okay, so this is in the color Peak Green. It says, I love this kind of pastel green shade a lot. Even if it's sage, even if it's mint, I like it a lot. This, I don't know, recently I'm having that obsession. I also am a little bit into browns, but then let's see, I really like this color. As you can see, it's so pretty. And this one here, you can see the shade. And this one's from Miniso, and it's just for 90 rupees. I can get it in Flipkart or Amazon too, because Miniso is available there too. Moving on to our next nail polish. Okay, we have this one. This one is from H&M. You can see the color, it's so pretty. I mean, this one I have made a whole video when I was wearing fake nails, I think. Yeah, you can check it out, it's here. In this video you can see how pretty this color actually looks. I mean, here, if you are not able to see it, and if it's just, why is it not focusing? Focus? Yeah, it's so damn pretty, guys. You have to check this color out. And in H&M, and this is a little bit costly, it's 300 rupees for this. Yeah, but these are amazing nail polishes from H&M. They're not going to wear out easily. I've tried this a lot and compared it with all the others, even with the Miniso one. Actually, I was trying to do something mixed pastel colors in my hand, and I tried it, but then this one wore out a little bit easily, and this one stayed longer. So yeah, I'm gonna recommend this for y'all. And this one's also pretty good. I'm not saying anything bad about this. But then if you want a really long lasting nail polish, you can definitely go for the H&M one. There are a lot of other color options in H&M that you can try it out, and their packaging is super cute. They are going to put this nail polish in a tiny cute cover of H&M and give it to you. I personally crave for cute packages, so I don't know, I really liked it, and I don't have that package anymore, but I don't know why I liked it a lot. But anyways, moving on to our next nail polish we have bought. Okay, we have these nail paints. These are from Sim. If you have saw my recent reel that I posted, yeah, I was actually reviewing these ones, and they are all super pretty, guys. After wearing it, it does not wear out easily. Especially my favorite is this one, the gold one. I mean, it's so elegant. It's really sparkly, and I thought I wouldn't like it, but then after wearing it, it was like my favorite among the rest. And my second favorite must be red, because it's red obviously, and then maybe this and this. But this shade, I don't know why, what is so special about this shade, but my mom loves this shade, guys. Anything in this shade, I mean, she might have like 100 nail polishes of this color, but I don't know why she's so obsessed with this color. I really don't know. Anyways, if you guys want to try out any of these nail polishes from Sim app, you can definitely use my coupon code, that is SummerAkshita42, to avail flat 20% off on your purchase, and I'm sure that you're gonna love these products. Moving on to our next nail polish, we have my favorite nail polishes. We have these are also like super cute, and these are, I was really obsessed with these when I was a kid. I remember this and the next one that I'm going to show you. Yeah, both of these were my favorite as a kid. These colors I recently bought, and these were the ones that I bought when I was a kid. You can definitely see the preference that changes, especially these. Okay, so these ones, you can say why I bought this color. Yeah, it was for mom. Yeah, anyways, and this color too, my mom likes green. Yeah, and these are my colors. Pretty cute colors. I like cute colors, you know. I really like pastel cute colors. Obviously you know that by now. You can see this one, it's like a really different green. It's like a grass green or something, and I really like this color. I don't know why. I liked it and I bought it, but then why didn't I wear it? Why didn't I wear it? These ones are from Reliance Trends. If you can't make it out from the name, like the name is Nail Trend, and you can get all of these in Reliance Trends. Any Reliance Trends store you can get it. And this is a fuchsia pink color. Both of these are actually a little bit different in shade, if you can see, but then they are similar, so yeah. Anyways, you can even get these kind of cute nail polishes in Reliance Trends, if you didn't know. And I also bought a transparent nail polish to make it look glossier. Yes, you can get this also there. So all of these are from Reliance Trends. They're all super cute. You can definitely go and check out these in a Reliance Trends store. Not now, after the lockdown, guys. And the next one, it's also my favorite, but I have lost most of the shades that I had, the cute ones. I just have these two. I don't know why. I searched a lot, and maybe it also got tried out because, you know, I never used to use them. And you can see these ones. These are LA Teens Color Pops. These were super cute, guys. I mean, these were just for 50 rupees or something, and they had the amazing colors when I was a kid. I used to buy them, and I used to always paint my nails. I remember these were like my favorite. And these colors are not currently like my favorite colors, but then I have only these two colors, so I'm gonna show it to you. This one is a transparent one, and this one's a golden color that I don't use at all, so I don't know. You can still get these online. These are super cute, and they have a lot of cute colors, trust me, guys. And moving on. Okay, I have this one from Juice that matches my shirt currently. It's cute, right? I had to wear this. That's it. I'm not wearing any nail polish right now. I mean, I'm making a nail polish, but I'm not wearing nail polish because I like my nails the way they are. I mean, don't you like my nails the way they are without nail paint? Because the nail that grows is like white in color. I don't know. I mean, I like it without nail polish more than wearing nail polish. Is this me or you guys are also like that? So the next brand that we have is Dazzler. Dazzler is also a very good brand if you haven't checked it out. This is also available online and they have a lot of pretty shades, and again I have these colors. I told you I have like 100 variants of ash in my nail polish kit. It's because of my mom, and you know the reason. Yeah. These are all really pretty. Again, I had a lot of other prettier shades which got dried out, but then I'm gonna show some pretty shades here. You can see it. You can get a lot of pretty shades in Dazzler too. They are really amazing. And moving on to our next brand, this is not my most favorite at all. I don't know why. The colors also, they are not that pleasing, even though they are light and pastel like that, you know, I like personally. But then these are like, I don't know, the brand is Insight. Obviously you have heard of Insight. Yeah, but then it takes like 3 to 4 coats to, like, you know, get a thick coat so that it looks good. So that's why I personally don't like it a lot. If you are a fan of such light colors, you can definitely try this out and see if you like it. Moving on to our last nail polish that I have. It's my favorite. Trust me, it's my favorite. I was currently wearing it and it got worn out like after 2 weeks or something, and I had to take it out. So it's from Nykaa. Yes, again this color, I told you how much I'm obsessed with this color currently. So this one, and it also has like tiny black granules in it. Also, Nykaa has like a lot of amazing nail polishes if you haven't seen. Like this one, I wanted to get it, but then I did not grow my nails, but I think I'm gonna get it. You can see how pretty this color is. I mean, unicorn color. What? I'm definitely gonna add this to my cart. So these were some of the favorite nail polishes that I own, and these are some of the amazing brands that you can purchase nail polishes from. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. As I've already told you, there's a giveaway coming. I have mentioned it in all of my videos. That's gonna come after I reach 1000 subscribers. So yes, meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.